have this wrapper that I want to turn into a simple gown. It's 2 yards and a quarter. So the shoulder I'm going to use is 16, bust 38, and for this side I need my under bust which is 36. So it's going to have a joining at my under bust and also have gathers at the bottom. So I need to cut the top. It's not going to have a zip, so the length of the dress is going to be 45. So it's going to have a joining at the under bust and also have a gathers at the lower part of the dress. So for the under bust, I'm going to cut 14, and for the lower part, I'm going to cut 12. I'm going to fold it into 4. It's going to have a join at the back, so I need to leave the allowance for the joining. I need to start my measurement from here. Because we are joining, I'm going to start my measurement from this part. So my shoulder is 8. And for the neck, I'm going to take 4 inches. The neck is going to be sweetheart. So the depth for the neck is I'm going to take 8 inches. In order to create the sweetheart, I'm going to measure 4 first. That's for the front. The back, I'm going to take 1.5. By 4. 1.5. So for me, I'm going to take my under bust. Under bust is 14. We are cutting from here up. My measurement starts from here. So my armhole round is 17. So I'm going to use that for my chest line, which I'm going to take 8.5. My bust line is 10.5. So for the front is 4. Then from this 4, I'm going to create my sweetheart down to this point. So I may just take it from 2.5 down to create my sweetheart down. So this is the side here. On this side, I'm just going to take 0.8 inch and slant it down. From here, slant it down by 1 on the shoulder slants. Then you join it. So my bust is 39. So on this, I'm going to measure my bust on the chest line, which is 9.5 plus 2. 9.5 plus 2. You just use, this is plus 2. My under bust round is 36. 11. 6 divided by 4 is 9. Then 9 add 2. 9 plus 2, 11. So this is the one I'm joining to the under bust. Since the width is 45, so I fold it in 2. That is 2 now in 2 places. So I'm going to subtract 5 from the one that I'm going to join to the under bust. There's going to be gathers, but the gather must be more than your hip measurement. So my hip measurement is 44. So I can now add as much as I want to this to form the gathers. So I'm going to subtract 5 because I don't want the gathers at the top to be too full. But the one for the bottom, I'm going to just leave it like that. I'm not going to subtract anything. So I'll subtract 5 from this. So this 5 now is in 2 places. Then with the other one making 4 places spots. So this is for both front and back. To get the gathers, I like, you can either use the, the longest stitch on your machine to do the gathers too, but I love to use my hand needle. So use hand needle. So I use hand needle too, and it's easy. When you use hand needle, it will be easy for you to like pull through, so, and it won't waste your time.